be showing you how to create a short film using Midjourney and Pika Labs. Would you like to take deep dive into the intricacies of crafting a short film similar to the one you have just watched? If your answer is yes, I encourage you to stick around until the end because we are about to embark on an enthralling exploration of the seemingly simple yet immensely gratifying process of bringing your unique vision to life in the form of a captivating short film. We will work together to unravel the layers of creativity, technique, and storytelling that culminate in the creation of your very own cinematic masterpiece. Plus, when the video concludes, you will get to witness the full result of our creative journey. So, make sure to stay until the end. Before we get into the specifics, let me provide a quick overview of our channel. If you're interested in staying informed about the newest AI tools and becoming proficient in using them, you are in the right spot. Our channel offers easy-to-follow tutorials and it is dedicated to keeping you well informed. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Your support helps us in creating even more valuable content. Now, let us get started. The foundational and pivotal phase in our journey to create a captivating short film revolves around the meticulous crafting of a script, which serves as the fundamental narrative framework for our cinematic endeavor. In pursuit of this endeavor, I have harnessed the incredible capabilities of ChatGPT, a versatile AI tool renowned for its creative prowess. Our mission for ChatGPT was clear. We sought its assistance in generating a script specifically tailored for a short film, with a romantic theme at its heart. Additionally, we asked for image prompts corresponding to each scene within the script. In a matter of mere moments, ChatGPT delivered a script that eloquently laid the foundation for a short film storyline. As part of our ongoing organizational efforts, I have taken the liberty to segregate the image prompts from the narrator's text. This separation of elements serves as a strategic move, positioning us for greater efficiency in the subsequent phases of this project. It streamlines the process of copying and pasting content, ensuring a smoother progression. A word of advice: if you happen to possess an inspired narrative already in mind, you are more than welcome to craft your own script without relying on ChatGPT's assistance. ChatGPT primarily aids individuals who may be seeking inspiration or guidance in the creative process. So, if you are brimming with ideas and have a script at your disposal, I encourage you to leverage your own creativity to bring your short film to life. With our meticulously crafted script in hand, the next pivotal step is to breathe life into it by incorporating visually stunning images that seamlessly align with the narrative. To achieve this, I turn to the capabilities of a remarkable tool known as Midjourney, a specialized platform renowned for its prowess in image generation. Here is how this was accomplished. I meticulously selected the AI image generation feature and seamlessly pasted our meticulously crafted script into the platform. Subsequently, I opted for the hyper-realistic style, ensuring that our visual elements align with the cinematic standards we aim to uphold. Additionally, I ensured that the aspect ratio adhered to the industry standard 16:9 format, as this is paramount in creating a film with a polished and professional touch. It is worth noting that the versatility of Midjourney allows for improvisation and fine-tuning of image prompts provided by ChatGPT, granting us the flexibility to ensure that every visual element resonates with the vision we have for our short film. With these tools and resources at our disposal, I am poised to generate a series of captivating and visually striking images that impeccably complement our narrative. The process is straightforward. I will continue generating images in Midjourney until every scene as dictated by our script has been brought to life, ensuring that our cinematic vision is fully realized. Furthermore, for those who are keen on taking their image quality to the next level, the tool offers an additional feature that allows you to click on the upscaled images, providing an opportunity to closely scrutinize even the minutest of details. This feature proves invaluable for those who seek to ensure that every aspect of their visuals is meticulously refined to perfection. Once you have thoroughly inspected and are thoroughly content with the outcome, saving these high-quality images to your computer is a breeze. This process can be seamlessly repeated for all other image prompts, guaranteeing that your movie trailer not only meets but exceeds visual expectations, captivating the audience as it unfolds on the screen. Also, it is worth noting that our short film will forego the use of voice actors, opting instead to rely on carefully curated music that harmoniously complements the visual narrative. The integration of sound effects will be seamlessly woven into the tapestry of our film during the video editing phase, further enhancing the immersive viewing experience. When it comes to incorporating music into our video, we turn to the vast library of royalty-free tracks provided by Pixabay. This resource offers a diverse array of musical compositions, ensuring that you'll find the perfect piece to underscore the emotional resonance of your short film. Should you have specific search criteria in mind? Pixabay's user-friendly interface makes it effortless to pinpoint the ideal track that aligns seamlessly with your creative vision. Once you have made your selection, a simple click on the download button ensures that the chosen musical accompaniment swiftly finds its way onto your computer, ready to be seamlessly integrated into your cinematic masterpiece. This careful selection process ensures that every auditory element resonates harmoniously with the visual narrative, creating a truly immersive viewing experience for your audience. Now, let us dive into the intricate process of bringing those meticulously generated images to life, a pivotal step in the creative journey of crafting your short film. Make this transformation happen, we have harnessed the capabilities of a user-friendly website called Pika Labs. Here is a straightforward guide to assist you in seamlessly animating your visuals. Begin by clicking on the text box provided on the Pika Labs website and proceed to upload the high-quality images you have previously downloaded from Midjourney. These images, carefully tailored to your script, serves as the fundamental building blocks of your visual narrative. Once you have uploaded your images, simply press enter and the website will work its magic, expertly transforming your static visuals into a dynamic and engaging video, frame by frame, providing a tantalizing glimpse of what your final creation will look like. After the process is complete, Pika Labs allows you to swiftly download the video to your computer, making it easily accessible for further refinements and your audience's eventual viewing pleasure. Be sure to repeat the process for each of the remaining image prompts to ensure the cohesiveness of your cinematic journey. Moving forward, the post-production phase places a spotlight on video editing, a critical step in shaping the final presentation on your short film. For this purpose, we turn to the versatile and user-friendly platform CapCut. Here is an overview of what the video editing process is. Start by selecting an empty video selection with CapCut, and then proceed to upload all the videos you have created using Pika Labs, as well as the audio file that will enhance the emotional resonance of your short film. With all your video scenes at your disposal, organize them in the desired order to craft a compelling and coherent narrative, ensuring that the pacing aligns seamlessly with your storytelling vision. Customize the playback speed to your preferences, allowing you to create the desired rhythm and atmosphere for your short film. Eliminate any blurriness or imperfections to give your video a polished and professional appearance, ensuring that every frame contributes to the overall visual impact. repeat these editing procedures for all the scenes in your video, meticulously refining each segment to ensure a cohesive and visually stunning final product. Once your editing process is complete, CapCut allows you to preview your video, offering a sneak peek of your creative endeavor. Following your final review, you can export the video with your desired resolution and quality, ensuring that it meets the industry standards for a compelling cinematic experience. I am genuinely excited to hear about your experience and insights in this journey. Did the animation and video editing process unfold seamlessly and enjoyably? Or did you encounter unexpected challenges along the way? Most importantly, are you satisfied with the final outcome of your animation? Your unique experiences and contributions are invaluable, and I encourage you to share your thoughts and insights. Your journey can serve as an inspiring guide for others embarking on their creative endeavors, fostering a vibrant community of filmmakers and storytellers. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out and would love to see you in the next video.